Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact a freelancer on Fiverr, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and then if you like a service and you want to contact that freelancer who offers that service, you can do that if you click on the offer, and then you can see that chat option at the bottom of the screen. Click on that, and in this way you can start a conversation about your requirements with that freelancer, with that person. Or if this option is not working for you, you can contact that seller if you click on that arrow near that person's name, and then you see the contact option and you can type your message in this way as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.